Bling! Huh?
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Daily Doodles for You, the channel where I show you how to draw something every day. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a squirrel. So before we get started, please feel free to maybe leave a comment, and let me know what you would like to learn how to draw next. And if you have not yet subscribed, it would be great if you would. All right, so let's get started on our cute little squirrel. So I'm gonna start with a eye. I'm just gonna do a little shape like this. And I'm gonna do a little bit of a, almost like an upside down jelly bean. And I'm gonna leave that part white and I'm gonna color in the rest all black. So that little upside down white jelly bean is kind of just like the reflection, just like where the light is hitting the eye. All right, so I'm gonna do just a little curve above, a little curve below, and we're gonna give a little bit of space over here, and we can start working on the shape of the head. I'm curving on up, and then down here, we can start with a little nose, just coming out a little bit, almost like a little upside down triangle. Actually, no, more like a V. We'll go with a V. And then we can come down a little bit and kind of come up a little. And I'm going to do almost like a little smile and a little curve right here. And we'll do the little bottom of the mouth. And we can start doing some little strokes. It kind of helps to show the texture of the fur. Now I'm coming on up, doing a little pointy ear and another one. And a little inside of the ear there. And we can start doing some more of those little strokes for texture. And let's see, let's give him a little hand. So I'm going to start with 1, 2, 3. I'm going to do 3 little fingers right there. And I'm going to bring that hand down a little bit, this line here. And come on up a bit. And bring this line down. And now I've got some strokes of fur. Furry arm. And he's got another little hand right here. So I don't know, maybe he's holding on to something really, really small. Maybe he's just holding on to his hand. Not quite sure. But we've got some more fur down here for the other side, the other arm there. Some furry, furry fluff. And then we can start with a furry, fluffy belly. And now we're going to do a bit of a curve here and start on the leg. And up here, let's do a little back. And I'm going to work with another leg right here. And we can do a foot. Let's do 1, 2, 3. I'll do 3 little squirrel toes. And more fur. And right here we can do another 1, 2, 3 little squirrel toes. And now let's do a big floofy fluffy tail. And lots of just strokey lines for texture. All right, so now let's do some strokes of grass here. He's going to be standing in the grass. So some of the grass might be tall, some might be short. Maybe he's in the woods. Maybe he's in someone's yard. Somewhere outside. Being a sweet little squirrel. I actually love squirrels. I think they are so cute. All right, so I'm finished my sketch and now I'm gonna get started on the coloring. All right, everyone, that's it for our sweet little squirrel doodle today. Thank you so much for drawing with me. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here tomorrow for the next Daily Doodle. Bye!